All right, guys, so we just checked in, safe and clear. We got Juan, we're meeting up Rich. We're here at the San Jose airport and we're gonna have a good time. Let's do this, right? We're gonna have a good time. So right now, we board in about 50 minutes. Come along, guys, let's do this.
D1 to 30, welcome aboard. D1 to 30.
Thank you. Oh, let's go. Let's board up. Everybody's in there waiting for me. Hopefully we got a spot. It's gonna be a full plane. Here we go.
It's up there.
All right, we are loaded up on the plane. We got, sorry, we got Rich right there and Anthony back over there, guys. Lock and loaded to go to San Diego. What's your name?
Teresa. I'm just a random person here.
Random person. You're gonna be, if you don't mind, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh gosh.
I'm a YouTuber and I do videos. So,
Okay.
so
See,
yeah.
I told you I want to be famous.
So, anyways, guys, let's have a good flight. All right, guys, we are taking off finally, and we got the van right here, ready to rock and roll.
Ready to party?
Ready to hit the road. We got about an hour-and-a-half trip to our resort, so I hope we have a safe trip. We got the chauffeur loading up our bags. See you guys. That's insanity right there.
That's almost como en China Wall.
The Great Wall of China. Yeah.
Ya llegamos. Aquí es el Hotel Coral and Marina. Wow. La Marina. Ah, perdón. Ah, ese edificio de abajo es la tienda.
¿Dónde?
Ahí dice Marina Store.
Oh, yeah.
All right. We're here. We made it. Just got into the hotel. We got all of our luggage right there. Still out here in Mexico. Gotta wear the mask, guys. COVID's still going on. So we're about to check in right now, but check out the hotel. This is where we're at. Pretty cool. We are on the marina, as you guys can tell. There's a harbor right there. Ocean view. All right, guys, super excited. We're out here in Ensenada and we are doing zip lining. It looks like we have to do about 5 zip lines, all to reach. I know GoPro probably can't do justice, but we gotta go all the way to the top. So we have 5 bridges and 5 zip lines to go through. So it's gonna be a pretty cool experience. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Yeah. Ready, Rich?
I'm ready, dude.
All right, man.
Aproximadamente entre 50 minutos a 1 hora. Hay 5 tirolesas y 5 puentes colgantes. Para eso lleva su casco y lleva su arnés. ¿Muy bien? Su arnés tiene 3 líneas de vida. A la izquierda tienen una polea. Esta es de uso exclusivo de los instructores. Ustedes no la van a tocar. Nosotros vamos a hacer todo por ustedes. ¿Ok?
Vamos a levantar los pies hacia enfrente. Ok, 1, 2, 3.
Ay, güey.
Agua. ¿Sí o no? ¿Cómo estuvo? Bien.
Bien.
Excelente.
Wow.
Listo, vamos a pasar de este lado, por favor.
Okay. That was freaking epic. Donovan! All right, feels like I'm on Indiana Jones walking around that bridge because this is crazy. So I'm latched up right here. Only gets my waist, but here we go. Woo. Man, this is crazy, Rich. Te caes, way. That's it. Oh man, little sketchy, but I like it. Adventure, man, having a good time. This is crazy. Yeah.
How was that?
That was epic, bro. They just get better and better.
It just stopped by itself.
Unbelievable. We got the crew right behind us, and we're just going from bridge to bridge, zip line to zip line, higher. There we go. Oh. All right, guys, we are on the last bridge here. This one for sure reminds me of Indiana Jones, for sure. Here's a straight bridge, absolutely epic. There's no words. Look at that, the long fall down. All right, guys, last one. The guy here said it's about a quarter mile, so beautiful view, very top of these mountains here. Ready?
Get down, please. Get up. 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Woohoo!
Muchas gracias. ¿Cómo está el arreglo? Bueno. Te pasan lo más atrás para frente que puedan. ¿Lo más qué?
All right, let's do this.
Okay, come on.
Hasta para salir.
Ya ahorita se acomoda.
We are ready to launch, guys. We got Captain right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go up there. So right now, guys, we're just backing out. We got the captain. He's got to be careful because there's a lot of breakers, and he's just being careful coming out. now, the captain right now is having us drop down our trolling rig. So I'm using a Nomad on there. It's about 30-35 feet deep, diver. So we're just trying to circulate to get some yellowtail. So that's what we're going after, yellowtail. So we got another rod over there for trolling. I got my rod here. Obviously, if we see them bust, we will throw some surface irons at them. So we'll see.
Yeah, Ernie hooked up, baby.
First time, baby. Hopefully it's a yellowtail. Oh, he's stuck. Woo!
Come on, baby.
See that, Rich?
Hell yeah, dude.
Come on, baby.
Let's go, Ernie. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. How does it feel, Ernie?
Oh, it feels good. Nice one. Right there, see color? Oh, it's going down. Nice one.
Captain's ready. Oh, there it is. I see color. Oh, bonita.
Captain say bonita, guys. Woo!
There it is, man.
Nice one. So, that's a nice size bonita right there, guys. So they hit off the tatty. Beautiful. Wow.
All right.
Let's go, guys. Keep going. Is that one on, Rich?
Yep, it's on.
All right, guys. We hooked up on a trolling. Got a Nomad right here. See what we got.
Let's get it. See color?
I think I maybe a barracuda. Bonita.
There it is.
That's what it is. We're after yellowtail, but we gotta go through the bonita to get the yellowtail. But there it is, right there. Another one on the boat. All right, guys, we are doubled up right now. Rich got hit.
There it is.
Triple.
Yeah, triple hook.
Ah, I just fucking lost it. Oh, no, there it is. There it is. Woo! There it is.
¿Qué crees son? ¿Bonitas?
Bonitas.
Estoy going. Ah, buena ahorita.
I lost it 2 times and I got it. There it is. Come on, baby.
That's
Woo!
Súbela de una. Dale,
pick it up. You gotta pick it up by the leader. Nice.
Triple?
Wow. You still on yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
¿Está grabando?
Sí. Nice. Una bonita.
Ahí está, ahí está.
Oh my god. Good. All right, guys, we got a first captain hooked up onto maybe. I think we're thinking it's a yellowtail. Not too sure, but we'll see. Yellow. Oh, they fall like that too.
Parece jurel. Yellowtail.
Yellowtail.
Porque como cabecea.
Yeah. Estaba arriba la surface iron?
Ajá.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dios quiera que sí.
Come on, Richie.
Quedó sashimi. There it is.
No, es bonita. Es bonita.
there. Man, we want the yellow.
What do you think?
Corrió muy curado, pensé que sí era.
How's it feel?
Yep, Bonita.
Damn.
Beautiful colors though, so vibrant.
Right on. Already, bro. I just turned it on. Hey.
Wipe off the screen. You got a little sheep's head, guys. Nice. Oh, I got the last one. Explica en la cámara qué estás diciendo.
Ok, aquí estamos ahorita en la pesca de sheephead o viejas, como lo conocemos aquí en México. Estamos preparando un choro o mazos. Vamos a hacer unos cortes cortando los puros callos con cuidado. Giramos el cuchillo sin desprender toda la carne para que salga este pedacito nada más. Vamos a usar un arreglo con fluorocarbono de 30. Estamos usando una pequeña pesa arriba, después del destorcedor, y queda el líder así volando. El anzuelo nomás va a encajar en la pura carne, en la pura aquí. Y con cuidado sacamos un poquito la carne y así lo dejamos. La vieja va a llegar y va a estar comiendo eso y por inercia se tiene que encontrar el anzuelo, ¿no? Este es el arreglo que nosotros usamos para pescar sheephead.
There it is. All right, there's the bait, guys. They'll be ordered for our fishing trip. So yeah, technically they're just mussels and just hooking them up. Never fishes style fishing. Pretty cool, man. The captain just chumming for us, guys. He's just breaking up the mussels and chumming it, and we're just throwing ours down with the hook.
Como acabamos de chumear, van a estar muriendo las chicas.
It's dropping
Y ya
down.
que dure la chumeada, ya empiezan a salir las grandes de las cuevas.
Captain just saying we chummed a bunch of mussels all around the boat just to get the sheep's head moving. So we're just dropping all the way down and just fill these like pecks.
Wow, it looks so beautiful.
All right, guys, we have finally made it after a pretty cool adventure trip, man. I know the video went like upside down. It's usually not one of my typical videos. I kind of made it more of a travel log than anything. Fishing was not really what we were going after, but hey, it's still okay. That's how fishing's about. So all the bonitas that we caught, we actually ended up giving them to the locals there. So that's what we did. I know it was off camera. The guy did make a little bit of sashimi plate. I know if you do follow my Instagram, I was showing you guys there that, but not on video. But anyways, if you guys can notice, we're back at our hometown in the Bay Area, San Jose. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys appreciate and had a good time watching this video, and I had a great time in this adventure, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, guys.